Good morning everybody. Today we are washing Daddy's car.
So good morning everybody, welcome back to another video. As Penelope said, today we're going to be washing my car and we're just going to be doing a maintenance wash of the car today, starting with the jet wash.
And
Are you
we're
ready?
going to use the jet washer and we're going to polish it at the end.
And we're going to polish it at the end.
First we're going to do the jet wash, and that's the jet wash. Today we did Daddy's car. When it's all wet we start to do this, and it's called Aurora. And this is what we clean the wheels with, and we're going to do this first. When the car's all wet you have to really do that, and it's not noisy, so I'm going to start spraying the wheels with the special thing to make the wheels all clean. So that's what we're going to do now. It can only use, you can get it in your eyes or face, or it will really sting you because it's very powerful this. We have to wait until it's turned purple
And then we rinse it off with a jet wash.
And then we rinse off. It's like turning all purple, so now we're going to jet wash it, and I'm going to stand in the garage because I really don't like the noise. And we're going to just get jet washing, and Daddy's now going to do the jet washing, and it's very scary and very loud. What we're going to put on the car so it's easier, so we can rinse it off, and we're going to spray it from this onto the car, not on the wheels, but we can even get a wheel one.
That's it. You like all over the car. That bit's done, Selin.
That bit's done, so we're going to start doing the next thing. Snow foam, and we're going to cover it in snow. There. With this, we're going to mix it in this as well. We're going to mix it in this like the last video. It's very hard to hold it like this. So now we're going to mix it. Like you can see, we are mixing.
And then do we put this little bit in there?
We'll put that little bit in there, what you can see, the blue thing, what I just showed you.
Put the lid back on.
And now I showed you in the second video, that's what we're going to put in there as well. So make it more, and this is my favourite part, we're making snow. So this is obviously what I'm going to really do, make the snow.
Go. Tell them what you've done.
So we have just mixed it, and you can see it's covered in this.
Which is called?
It's called the snow. Wait for it all to drip down off the car. We're going to rinse it using the jet wash.
So you keep rinsing your sponge. Use your sponge off.
Daddy, I'm doing the back.
Yeah, we're doing it together.
Woo! I'm gonna get some more soap.
Washing.
This is the last part of the car washing.
Tell them that we've started rinsing.
We have started. And Daddy's dried it and now it's nice and polished and shiny.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Look down in the comments and subscribe what we have been doing.
Bye.
Bye. See you in the comments below.